without the bacon. Eggs in it, right?
I'll take a look and see what else they have to.
With a container with the tomatoes, mushrooms, onions,
Where are you trying to put that? Well, does it fit? Doesn't go there. Hi, Oscar. Fits right there? Mm-hmm. Oh, gonna go get Grammy again?
What is? I'm getting a little bit. Okay, go down. Here I come, here I come.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
No, it's just don't want you to fall.
Oh boy.
You're doing that.
Yeah.
Dizzy, dude. Whoa,
I mentioned that. Yes. Same happens to me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're... What now? Garbage truck's gonna get Oscar. Garbage truck's gonna get Oscar. Oh, yay. Coming to Grandpa to be safe?
The garbage truck had an accident.
Oh. Who's that? Hi, Oscar. Hi, Oscar.